Good morning. This is Irish Fishback with the Maximum One Realtor Partners. And this week we are talking about what do sellers need to do to prepare for home inspections. So I am going to share my screen and give you that information. So as a seller, what do you need to do to get ready for home inspections? Well, the first thing is home inspections are back. They are a hot topic back on the market for many home buyers. Currently, 95% of home buyers are requesting a home inspection. Gone are the days where they're waiving the home inspections like they did last year during the frenzy market. They're not doing that anymore. Now home buyers are making sure that the home is a sound investment before they purchase. Many sellers are making improvements to their homes for things that they know are wrong and spending about an average of $14,000 or more on repairs in their home before the home inspection. 67% of buyers are asking for repairs after the home inspection is done. So that means they're going back to the sellers after the inspection and asking either for concessions or asking that they make the repairs to things that they find that need to be replaced. So what are some of those things that some of the sellers could be finding that they need repaired? It could be a leak, a water heater leak. It could be the garage door is not working or it's old. It could be the sealant around the windows where air is getting in. It could be mold. It could be water damage, just various different things that that an inspector may be finding. And again, I want to make sure that we all understand that a home inspection is very important to the buying process because you as a buyer want to protect the investment because it is, in most cases, the biggest investment you will make in a lifetime. And you want to secure that investment and make sure that all latent defects, and those are defects that you cannot see with your natural eye, are taken care of and nothing pops up after you close and get into your new house. Nothing can sour the happiness of being in a new home than something happening a week after you close with that home that you didn't anticipate. So it's very important that you get a home inspection. And as sellers, it's very important that you prepare your home for the home inspection. So just making sure that everything is in tip-top shape, fixing those things that you know already that need to be fixed and addressing those ahead of time will make the home buying process go as smooth as possible. Now I want to give you my good neighbor tip. I want to add this at the end of each of my videos. As realtors, we are good neighbors. And so I thought it would be nice if we added a tip at the end of each video to let you know what being a good neighbor is. So one of my good neighbor tips is to check on your seniors. And what do we mean by that? That means in every community, you are going to have seniors in your community that are at the age of 65 and over. And you want to make sure that you're checking on those seniors. Sometimes we don't know, their family may live out of state. They might not have anybody nearby, but it's always nice to check on your neighbors, even if you just knock on the door and say hello, to check on them or drop a card in their mailbox. I have a neighbor where my parents live, and during the holidays, I always drop off, either I bake a pie and drop it off, or I drop off some freshly baked cookies, just to say that I'm thinking about them and, that they're not forgotten. And of course, I went to school with their kids, so, we're close, but of course I don't see them on a regular basis. So I always make sure just to drop off something to their parent, just to make sure that he knows that I'm still, thinking about him and things like that. So check on your seniors in your community or where you grew up, like I do. So that has been my good neighbor tip for the week. And I hope that you've learned something in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and please send me any questions that you may have. I'm happy to answer them. Have a great week.